Hello and welcome viewers. In today's video we will see the official specifications of Huawei smartwatch Huawei Watch GT2 Pro. So at the beginning I want to say please subscribe to my channel to know the updated specifications of new mobile phones. So let's see what is in the official specifications of the watch. The watch have no cellular connectivity and the watch has memory space of 4 GB with 32 MB of RAM. The watch is coming in two colors in the market. The two colors are Night Black, Nebula Grey. Display has AMOLED. Display size is 1.39 inches, 57.4 inches skin to body ratio. The body dimension of the watch is 1.84 into 1.84 into 0.45 inches. The watch will weigh 52 grams. The watch has Huawei Lite OS operating system and chipset with Korean A1. The CPU is getting dual core. Here is you can get the sensor or accelerometer, gyro, heart rate, barometer, compass, SpO2, VO2 max. The watch have a battery lithium ion 455 mAh non-removable. There is no SIM in the watch. There is a loudspeaker for sound but no 3.5mm jack for audio output. So friends, this is the official specifications of today's Huawei Watch GT2 Pro model. For those who want to a good watch from Huawei and you can take it without any hesitation, it will launch in Bangladesh market very soon. and I will definitely come up with the unboxing. So that's it. Then stay healthy, stay well. Goodbye.